So good morning, families. I know y'all are trying to get on, so I just want to remind you that as you are connecting to your assignments, they are all linked in here through your classwork and then through your Google Doc here. Now, once you go on, it's going to kick you just to the generic account. So make sure that you are going in through Launchpad first, like to Think Central. If you go into Launchpad, then click on Think Central, then it's going to ask you to log in using, it should click right into your assignments, and then it'll have your list of things to do. So go in through there. The same thing for BrainPop. If you are assigned something in BrainPop, first go into Launchpad, BrainPop's in Library Resources, click on BrainPop Junior, and then it'll take you in and you will have your assignments. It should list them at the top. Okay, so make sure that you go in and log in through Launchpad, and then that way you can get to your assignments more easily. If you have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will be checking them throughout the day, or email me, let me know what questions you have, or if you need help with anything else, if something's not working. Okay, so hope you do good today, and I will talk to you soon.